Oh, good morning. I bet you're asking yourself, what are the best Web 2.0 tools? Well, I can't tell you about all of them, but I do want you to know Classroom 2.0 is better than MySpace when it comes to educational value. Give it a try. I think you'll like it. You'll be glad you did.
Hi. How long have you been in education? Well, I've been in it a while. And let me tell you, I found the best tool. This tool is called Voicethread. Voicethread is an online media album where you can store your media, share it with others, and you can collaborate with them. It's a great tool.
Hi. One of the most fascinating things to have emerged from the internet in recent years is something called the blog. The blog is a shortened term for weblog. And what a weblog allows teachers to do is to communicate with their students. And not only can they communicate with their students, it can promote how much the students are learning, and you can get feedback on both how much they're learning and what types of things you need to work on as a teacher. So, classblogmeister.com is the place to go for this. classblogmeister.com, give it a try.
On the left-hand side over here, you can see related links. That means that the teacher can set this up such as to link to any other classroom blogs. For example, here's one in Australia I'll click on quickly. Okay, look at this. Here we are. We're now linked to Mrs. Lowe's class in Australia. That means our kids can come over here and share this and read it. Okay, I'm going to go back to where I was, close this tab. And below the related links I have teacher assignments, below that teacher entries. Those things fall in the middle column. Over here on the left we have the actual entries of the students. The most recent one was June 12th. Someone wrote about their summer vacation. Over here on this side we can list all the students in the class. Here they are. Each one of these is actually a link to a student blog. Down the center we have the tools we can embed. Here you can see Voicethread being used as part of an internet project with Taiwan. Here's a flash video. Note that it's embedded. It actually lives on Classroom 2.0. Another reason for having that. Here's a classroom video made as part of a project with Australia. It also lives on Classroom 2.0. That's advantageous because school districts usually don't block Classroom 2.0. Here is MyPlick, part of another project. Here is a Voicethread flash, and just about anything you want you can embed here. Come back up here and you can see we even have a podcast over here. It comes from a site called Our City Podcast. You may want to look that up. So all of this content can be embedded in one location and used by teachers and kids alike. We are on a Voicethread site. I'm going to create a new one. So I go to Create, and I go to Upload. I'm going to upload some pictures from my computer, and I think I'll go to Desktop here because I'm looking for TC 2008. Okay, here's one. Let's upload Bob. Do that. It's Bob and James actually. It's uploading now. It's a little slow. These are large files. I'll go to another one. We did Bob. Let's do Jason. Another picture from the day we're working on our Lego machines. So there's two pictures. You can see how easy it is to upload these things. I could be coming from Flickr or Facebook if I wanted, but I'm coming from actually from my laptop here. Let's do Paula. Open her up. Here comes Paula's picture. Alright. And then we'll go ahead and upload. I have one named Sean here. Upload Sean. Okay, I could continue uploading as many as I wanted. And notice that I can move these pictures around. I'm going to take Paula and put her at the very front. So she'll be the very first slideshow. But if I think, well, maybe I need to put Gary up here first and Paula second, and that's going to be the proper order I like, I would say okay, right? I can add a title to these. I can do various different things I want to that. Okay, and at this point on, I will go to My Voice, and I'll give this a title. We'll call it Lego Making. I'll call this a test. T-H-R-E-A-D, test voice thread. I'll save it. And now you can see on my main screen I have a new voice thread here. I can click on it, and here we have it. Here's the first picture. I can run through it by clicking on these arrows, or if I want, I can click on, say, Gary, and come in and come out. I'll back up. Or maybe I want to click in actually on the device. There it is, and back out. I can add sound to this if I want also. Here's the ski lift machine, quite a device. And here's the xylophone machine. And here's Sean working on his fax machine over here. Now if I wanted to, like I said, I could add sound to this just by using my microphone, or I could upload MP3 files and add those to this. And then this is called a voice thread. We are on myplic.com. This particular site uses a PowerPoint presentation and an uploaded audio file in either WAV format or MP3 format. I have uploaded 2 pictures of our group, and I've uploaded a short MP3 file. And so what I'll do now is I will edit that file. Okay, I'm going to sync it up together. Here is our actual workspace. If I click here to start it, you can hear the audio. Okay, but only one picture is on there, so I actually have 2 photos here. So what I'll do is I'll start this over. I need to add in at that appropriate point our second picture. I'll do that by clicking on this button here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this in real time. Okay, I'm going to start it right now. Here we go. Back to the beginning. Okay, watch how I do this. Now I insert. Okay, so when I clicked on the up arrow, I inserted the second picture, and I could do this with any number of pictures or diagrams or graphs, and it's a matter of just timing and clicking and timing and clicking. Teachers can do this, and you know what? Kids can do this. We've done this before in other projects. That's a quick review of using myplic. After we've uploaded the PowerPoint, as we did in the previous step, and we've uploaded the audio and synced those 2 together, we now have a slideshow with the audio exactly where we want it, matching each slide. So now we can embed that. There's an embed icon here, and here's the actual code over here. You can put that in your blog, you can put that in your wiki, or you can embed that in your web page, and then you're ready to put this basically anywhere you want on the internet.